Cisngi hadian baka Voice of the People Party batru u MLA ka seng ubami khmat ya ka North Chelong constituency kila pendrem ya ka rai ka sorkar jalaban aja ka shu da iwei point sau akar nakabentaban penkendria ya ki brieu ki basa hathem yo maulong mendakas ngi usembot menteri rangba ka jalla pami khmat ya ka tanat kampo yeng uba Prestone tensong ulakan tho ting e ya ka VPP bat ong bakani ka dei tang ka jingyale politics da ki ba klemtep ya u a ubi ula ong baka jingpen karya ya ki lais pa sapu artali ki long yeng na them yo maulong kan dei bet shaja ka sa plapen khre ka Shillong Municipal Board pat ong ru ba wat ka jaka om dei baka sorkar ka ai shaki Henry Shaka Municipal Board shu ba Prestone ula kentu ya ka VPP bakam dei ban le politics ya kan ni ka kam batru banyalam bakala ya upat ba halor kan ni kaman.
Let me tell you, those leaders who criticize the decision taken by the government, they are playing a politics. It's a political game only that they do. Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 of 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin ya Kren hakata kulti. Ban persyang ban persutu baklay upay ba jumi. Ngong pi hangno bagi ong mangin aja kaya ya kita. Ngong pi ka jakagin aja kaya Shillong Municipal Board. Bagi Shillong Municipal Board kan selek ikut dan kam kum kinong trejo kaya Shillong Municipal Board. Dan ray ngong pi ngai ke statement joki. Hana bala da phimla manta IT hangi ka VP. Kai ka bikin lek maki. Haba ki brio ki bom tip tangi au bi klep tip je kamdan khendau ki persyang ban persutu baklay ki pai ba jumi. I think enough is enough. Upai ba nga try usutu ba kata. Tenga kerpat ye kini leaders but kim day ban sutu bakla but kim day ru ban mislead ye ki pai ba jog jala jumi. Thank you so much.